Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max and we'll show you how to change the brightness several different ways actually. Easiest way, look for the settings menu and then there'll be a section called display and brightness and there's a slider there. Just slide it left and right and can't go wrong with that, right? Well, there's an even easier way. Pull down and go to the control panel and there's another slider there to adjust the brightness. But that's not all. Also, if you touch and hold, this will actually pop up a sub-menu which also allows you to adjust the brightness, but also several other options including night shift mode and dark mode, and also the true blue color. So those will help protect your eyes, especially if you're using it at night. So that's basically it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Check out our other videos for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and see you guys next time here on Howtechs. Bye. Is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also